BeamerTech wanted to give you a quick look at two of our products we recently installed in this E84X1, our premium audio amplifier and our Alpha 1 speakers. If you want to see both of the installation videos, check out the link in the description. Jared, who works at BeamerTech, was due for a complete audio system upgrade to take his factory basic audio experience to a whole new level of clean audio immersion and that punchy in-your-face sound that he needs. The amp installation is easy and very straightforward. Things will get kicked off by removing some trim pieces. All you gotta do is remove the 3 nuts holding it in place. Then simply unplug the factory harness and swap it out for the premium audio amplifier. It's a plug-and-play process. No cuts, no splices, and no hassle. Then it's just a matter of putting everything back together to enjoy the specifically tailored audio designed and engineered for your specific vehicle. But first, let's install the speakers. The installation process for the rear trunk speakers require you to remove the same paneling you needed to gain access to the factory amplifier. While we have it open, we'll go ahead and we'll remove the old speakers and replace them with these lovely Alpha 1 speakers. The installation process is exactly the same for both sides. There may be a little differences with the accessories you have to remove and unplug, but the process is pretty much the same. Want to learn more about the system he's putting in his car? Go ahead and check out the blog link in the description. The mids and tweeters and the doors are pretty simple to get to. You have some paneling you gotta remove using some pry tools, and removing some T20 Torx screws. And then, once it's out, you simply got some cables and wires you need to unplug, and then you can go ahead and remove the old speaker. Once you're able to break free the wimpy factory speaker, you can go ahead and put in the Alpha 1. It's a piece of cake, and then we can move on to the tweeters. It's easy enough. You have some trim to remove, pry out the tweeter, then you just swap it out for the Alpha 1 tweeter, and you can put everything back together. You can repeat the same process to the driver's side, and you're good to go. The subs can be a little bit more tricky, but you'll be an expert after watching our full installation video that you can watch from the link in the description. You'll notice we removed some bolts to free up the seat, then we lift it up, remove a cover plate, unscrew and unplug the factory woofer, then you can go ahead and replace it with the brand new Alpha 1. And just like that, you can now put everything back together, put the seat back down, screw it in place, make sure the camera works, and reconnect your battery. After you put your car back together, hearing the difference will make the install worth every bit of your time. If you want to find out more all about the products available for your BMW, Mini, Supra, or Rolls-Royce, head on over to our website and enter your VIN. You'll be presented with a list of all the compatible upgrades. Don't forget to check out the full installation videos in the description, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the future installation overviews here at BeamerTech. Thanks for watching.